Free movies, streaming free movies on Pluto TV. Streaming free movies on Pluto TV is simple and legal, as the platform offers ad-supported content. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Accessing Pluto TV, website *. Visit Pluto TV's official website, https://www.pluto.tv. Using any web browser. App *. Download the Pluto TV app on your preferred device, mobile *. Available on iOS, App Store, and Android, Google Play Store. Smart TVs *. Most smart TVs, including Samsung, LG, and Vizio, have a Pluto TV app. Streaming devices * supported on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, and Android TV. Game consoles * available on PlayStation and Xbox. 2. Create an account, optional. Pluto TV doesn't require an account to watch, but creating one allows you to save favorite channels. Resume watching across devices. Personalize recommendations. To create an account, 1. Go to the sign up section on the website or app. 2. Enter your email, create a password, and follow the prompts. 3. Navigate to the movie section, open the app or website and look for the movies category. On the live TV guide, find live movie channels under categories like drama, comedy, action, or classics. In the on-demand section, browse through your rated selection of movies available for streaming anytime. 4. Start watching, click on the movie or channel you want to watch, and the stream will start automatically. Note, Pluto TV is ad-supported, so you'll encounter commercials during your viewing. 5. Additional tips, search feature * use the search bar to find specific movies or genres. Categories * explore other sections like trending now, recently added, or specific movie genres. Device syncing * log in with your account across devices to continue watching where you left off.